Hello and welcome, my dear fellow food lovers from the team of Curries to Custard. We are so glad that you found us. Today we are sharing a recipe of mutton biryani. This special mutton biryani is absolutely delicious and flavorful. Try out our version of this fragrant and easy recipe and share your thoughts with us. So here is the list of ingredients. Mutton 1 kg. For the spice paste we would need ginger 2 inches, garlic 20 cloves, cumin seeds 1 teaspoon, black pepper 10, black cardamom 2, green cardamom 4, mace 1, star anise 1 and nutmeg half. For marinating the mutton, we would need cooking oil 5 tablespoons, fried onions 5 to 6 tablespoons, spice paste 3 to 4 tablespoons, mint and coriander paste 5 tablespoons, yogurt or curd 100 grams, turmeric 1 teaspoon, red chili powder 2 tablespoons, coriander powder 4 tablespoons, lemon juice 2 tablespoons and salt to taste. For cooking the rice, we would need basmati rice 500 grams, cooking oil 1 tablespoon, salt 1 tablespoon, whole garam masalas which would include bay leaves 3 to 4, cumin seeds 3 teaspoons, black pepper 10, star anise 2, black cardamom 2 and green cardamom 3 to 4. Finally, water 5 to 6 cups. For layering the biryani, we would need desi ghee or clarified butter 2 tablespoons, fried onions 6 to 7 tablespoons, mint leaf 100 grams, coriander leaves 75 grams, green chili 5 to 6, saffron soaked in hot milk 4 tablespoons, kevra water 1 tablespoon, and also whole wheat dough for slow cooking the biryani or for dum. We would start with marinating the mutton. First add fried onions, oil, then all the powdered spices along with salt. Add mint and coriander paste, curd or yogurt, spice paste, and finally lemon juice. Now mix everything thoroughly till all the ingredients coat the mutton well. Now keep it aside for 1 hour. However, you can start making it instantly as well in case you don't have enough time. In a pressure cooker, start cooking the mutton. Stir it on regular intervals for 15 minutes. Now put on the pressure cooker lid and cook till 4 to 5 whistles. Then switch off the gas stove and let the pressure cool down. Now again switch on the gas stove and start roasting the mutton. You can see that the leftover water has evaporated and mutton is soft and tender. Now switch off the gas stove and keep it aside. Let's cook the rice now. Start with heating the water in a deep container, then add cooking oil, salt and all the whole spices into it. As the water boils, add soaked rice into it. We have to cook the rice till it's 90% done, then drain the water and keep it aside. It's time to layer the mutton and rice in order to get it ready for slow cooking or dum. For that, in a deep container, spread all the cooked mutton pieces at the bottom and spread it properly. Then top it up with half of the fried onions, coriander and mint leaves, and green chilies. Don't forget to add some desi ghee as well. Now add the basmati rice. Spread it all over it. Again, top it up with the rest of the fried onions, coriander and mint leaves. Add saffron infused milk and a generous amount of desi ghee. Finally, add some kevda water. Now, make a long rope with the whole wheat dough and stick it on the sides of the utensil. Then cover it with a lid and press so that it locks properly. Now cook it on high flame for first 5 minutes, then reduce the flame to low and let it cook for another 15 minutes. Place a griddle or a pan underneath the biryani utensil while slow cooking it. Switch off the gas stove and let it rest for 10 to 15 minutes. It's time to enjoy this delicious and flavorful mutton biryani with your loved ones. Please do try this recipe and share your thoughts with us. We hope that this recipe comes out great for all of you. Thank you and stay tuned until we meet again. Namaste.